baka basa-basa dyan ah. Uulit ka dyan.
Bye-bye.
Iyaw mo siya na mo, may pasok
My
bukas.
birthday is next month in October 14. So you can send me gifts. I mean not gifts on TikTok. I mean real gifts. Guys, oh my god, all my friends all my friends are asking me to go out. Why is this so hard? No, it's a joke. Guys, in Korea, it's Chuseok, so it's holidays, and all my favorite shops in Korea is closed. It's closed. Literally like 5 of my favorite places. And like everyone is visiting their family. And then I miss my family. I got really sad and I was alone. And then all my Korean friends are visiting their family in their hometown. So
Abay, patay yun yung tubig.
a lot of people are not in Seoul.
Puno ba yung tubig sa CR?
So many of
Puno
my
yung tubig
friends
sa
they
CR?
are not here.
May tubig sa CR?
All my foreigner
tubig.
friends they have no time. So I
Puno?
have no friends. Literally, I was sitting at home
Puno ba hindi?
and I was sad. And
Patay
now
may tubig.
everyone is texting me saying